telling you I gotta get my... No! Like I said, I told niggas...
I just wanted to say I absolutely love your hat.
Oh, thank you.
Makes you look like $1 million bucks.
Sir, this is the best hat I've ever seen. You need to take a look.
Wow! Holy smoke!
Guys, thank you for 1,000 followers.